Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of News Bulletin. In the headlines today, model of process flow at Rourkela Steel Plant inaugurated at Model Room of HRD Center. Winners of COVID-19 based slogan competitions for contract labor of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant awarded. Now the news in detail. A model of the layout and process flow of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant was inaugurated at the HRD Center by Mr. Deepak Chatraj, CEO RSP on 22nd July. Also present on the occasion were Mr. PK Das, ED Works, Mr. Rajveer Singh, ED P&A, Mr. DK Mahapatra, EDMM, Mr. Pankaj Kumar, ED Project, Mr. Praveen Nigam, CGM F&A, Dr. BK Hota, Director Medical and Health Services, and other senior officers and employees of the plant were present. The program was organized with due adherence to COVID-19 guidelines. It may be noted that the model denotes the process layout of the entire plant. The process layout is placed on a 20-foot by 9-foot table. Mr. Biswajit Mishra, DGM Coke Ovens, explained the process flow through synchronization of lights. Speaking on the occasion, Mr. Deepak Chatraj expressed his immense happiness over the design and the splendor of the replica. He emphasized that every employee should have a fair knowledge about the geography of the plant layout. All the senior officers praised and congratulated the employees and departments who have actively participated in the development of the model. All the employees who were involved in this project were also felicitated by the CEO and the EDs. Ms. Rajeshri Banerjee, GM in charge HRD, welcomed the gathering and coordinated the inaugural session. Mr. KK Jaswal, Senior Manager HRD, anchored the program and also proposed a vote of thanks. Winners of various competitions organized by SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant to create awareness with regard to COVID-19 among the contract workers for the month of June 2020 were awarded in a function held at Personnel Department Conference Hall on 21st July. Mr. Rajveer Singh, EDP&A, was the chief guest on the occasion and presented the awards to the first, second and third prize winners of slogan writing competition. Mr. Rajendra Mishra, CGM P&A, was the guest of honor and handed over the consolation prizes. The function was conducted with due adherence to the guidelines on preventive measures to contain spread of COVID-19. The dignitaries congratulated the award winners and encouraged them to participate in similar other events. The competition was conducted among the contract labor and the supervisors engaged in RSP. The objective was to create awareness among them and involve them in RSP's efforts for overcoming challenges posed due to COVID-19. In all, 51 entries were received in this category. The theme for the slogan writing competition was Precautions for COVID-19. The jury, which evaluated the slogans, comprised Mr. Deepak Garg, Deputy Manager, WMD, Mr. Surhit Sarode, Deputy Manager Personnel, and Ms. SM Sindur, Manager Personnel. Mr. T.G. Kanekar, GM Personnel, welcomed the gathering and coordinated the event. He also briefed about the scheme launched for conducting essay writing, slogan writing, and poster making competitions for contract labor and supervisors. During the function, a presentation was made by Ms. SM Sindur, Manager Personnel, on the scheme and the details of the winners along with the award-winning entries. With this, we come to the end of this news bulletin. Namaskar.